Which Gundu Paiti? Hey. Yes, ma'am. Boys fighting. One day, that day. Hey, what happened, Riz? I need to share the link. That work I am going for. If I will not put link, na, the Pythians will not join. Link sending to group. Send touch. Kartika ke. Now look at it. You told my application of derivatives is problem. So I'm starting application of derivatives questions first. Everyone start joining the sessions, please. Kartika, good evening, beta. Applications of differentiation means first part, starting from the beginning, so that you people don't have any problem in that. Okay. Are you all ready? Please join the session, everyone. Application of derivatives. First, I'm starting from there. Will you work, please? Okay, when these type of questions is given, good evening, Beta. Just write your name. I will start the session as fast as possible. Now look, Beta, rate measures from there on MCQ questions will be there, and rate measures questions will come very nicely. So you people are advised to do rate measures very nicely. Okay, don't leave this section. Okay, now look at it. Determine the so diameter of a sphere is given. The rate of change of surface area with respect to x. So these type questions one time we have done. Now we are going to revise it and we are going to do it as fast as possible. Okay. So now look at how to do these questions. Get in the shortcut way. Now I am going to teach you the most shortest way of solving the question. Can you start this question, please? Start. What is given here and what you have to do, that two things I'm going to ask from you. Get ready for it. One by one I'll explain everything: increasing, decreasing functions, rate measures part, everything. So diameter of a sphere is given. So diameter given means, check this one out. In shortest way now I'm teaching you how to solve the questions. Now look here. See, application of derivatives from there 6 to 7 marks is 100% pakka confirm. How to get that 6 to 7 marks is the most important thing. So all the important questions in this session I am giving you, so that you people will be able to solve it. Okay, in short. So now sphere. What is the diameter of the sphere? Diameter of the sphere given is 3 by 2, 2x plus 5. Then what is the radius? Radius is diameter divided by 2. So it will become into 1 by 2, 2x plus 5. So this one will become how much? 3 by 4, 2x plus 5. So this will become radius. Okay. Now they are asking the rate of change in surface area. So surface area of a sphere is what? Surface area of a sphere is 4 by 4 pi r square. Understood? So it will become 4 pi r is what? 3 by 4 into 2x plus 5 and 3 by 4 into 2x plus 5. So 3 by 4 into 2x plus 5, 3 by 4 into 2x plus 5. So this 4 will get cancelled. 3 3s are 9 by, how much it will be coming? 9 by 4 pi. Understood? 3 3s are 9 and here pi, and then by 4 it is coming as 2x plus 5 whole square. So this will become surface area. Now what next what you have to do is you have to differentiate this surface area, because they told that rate of change of surface area. So when rate of change of surface area they will ask. So whatever they have given, they gave diameter, we got radius. Understood? Surface area of a sphere formula is 4 pi r square. What is the surface area of a sphere? 4 pi r square. We did 4 pi r square. Once we did 4 pi r square, we wrote r two times. After that beta, we got this one. Now we have to differentiate it. The moment we will differentiate, it will become dA by dr is equal to 9 by 4 pi. Check what answer will be coming. Then 2 will come out, it will become 2x plus 5 into 2. So this 2 and this 4 will cancel. This will become 9 pi 2x plus 5. Check any option 9 pi 2x plus 5 is there. This is option number C. And like this you will get the answer. I just differentiated. Chain rule application differentiated. Chain rule application I differentiated and we got the answer. So this is exactly the way to attend the question. So this is the first question in shortcut way. In rough section also you will do, then it is okay. You just have to do one small work. You have to differentiate it and then you have to get the answer. So this is exactly the simple one you will be able to do or not. So sphere, volume and surface area. Note down what is the sphere volume. The volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube and surface area is 4 pi r square. For this finding the sphere, you must know these two formula. Understood or not? So surface area and volume formula. Good evening, Himanshu. Surface area and volume formula you must know. Got it? Surface area and volume formula you must know to proceed. Got it? So this is the most important part. Now we will go for the next question. Come on, try this question. Because see, like this questions with short tricks we must be using to solve the question. I'm fine, Himanshu. Come on, go for it, please. Try this question because see, if you will not be solving only sitting, means you will never be learning. This is not the way to study. Final moment revision is you have to be totally acquainted with the solving pattern. If you will not solve, suggestions is the most important suggestion is don't attempt if you are not confident. The thing here is those questions which are very confident that only you go for it because negative marking will spoil your positive effect also. Few topics, vectors are very important and what you call 3D part of vectors from their questions are coming. Quadratic section, algebraic part is very important. Arithmetic sections, you do that. Integration calculus will definitely swipe off. In mathematics only I can say. If you have full command in calculus means you can rock it. The edge of the cube is increasing at a rate of this much. So if somebody will be asking you edge of a cube is increasing at a rate of this. So definitely this is a cube. You don't have to draw cube or something. Edge means x. Understood? Increasing means dx by dt is equal to 0.3 centimeter per second. At the rate of changing its surface area when edge is this much. So surface area change they are asking. Surface area change they are asking. You need to be very limited surface area. What is the surface area of a cube? The TSA, the total surface area of a cube is 6 into 5 square. That means change of surface area of a cube with respect to x will become, because they are writing centimeter per second. So here it will become time will come. dA by dt is equal to 6 into 2x dx by dt. And dx by dt is given this much. So just substitute 6 into 2. And always remember one thing. When they are telling, Mehan, Tanish, good evening. So when they are giving this change is 3 centimeter. So here it will come 3 into 2 into 3 into dx by dt is 0.3. So what is the correct answer is 3 3s are 9, 6 1 is 6, 6 2s are 12, 0.9. So here it will come 9 2s are 18, 9 1s are 9, 10. So 10.8. 10.8 when they are writing with time. Time means 10.8 centimeter square per second. Understood. So option will become 10.8 centimeter square per second. Note down this one. We have Danish, please this part now. You can come forward and study very nicely because application of trigonometry is one section from where you can get full marks. Are you understanding? Now, beta, this is the last moment where I am discussing about all the questions. We don't have time. 9 days means we have to go chapter by chapter. One day full chapter, one day full chapter. At least 9 chapters in 8 days we will do. Come on, go for it, please. So this is side edge. So edge means what? Is it done, beta? Note down, note down. I can wait for you, no problem. Everyone clearly see this parts, the 4 videos which I have sent. Now very important videos I am going to send to you, small parts. Okay, Sadhna, good evening, beta. So now look here, shall we start for the next part? Get ready. Are you ready for the next question? Can I give? This is starting sections. Now, better this type questions, now KVS questions. This type questions is coming in NCRT format. The total revenue. I taught you this question very nicely one time already. I discussed this question with you. So this type question you see every time this type question is on the command. See, look here. R of x is equal to this much. You don't have to do anything. You just have to differentiate. Children, try to solve and send the answer. The biggest part is try to solve now. Until and unless you will not solve, you will not get the answer. See, what you have to do here is, when they have given you this part, see, how to understand what I have to do. First, I am teaching you that. The total revenue received from the sale of this article is given by this, the marginal revenue when this. So whenever revenue cases are coming, that means what increasing section they are asking. Are you understanding or not? So rate of change will be there. Increasing sections they are asking rate of change part will be there. Got it? So marginal sections will be there. Marginal sections will be there, and that marginal sections the questions will come like that. So please pay attention here and do this work. Okay, now look here. So here what work we are going to do? R of x given. What is R of x given? 3x square plus 3x plus 6. 3x plus this much given. Okay, beta. We have to differentiate it because they are telling money will be differentiated according to the. So if this will be differentiated, what will come? It will become 6x plus 36. Now this revenue with what will be the cost? 15. At 15, what will be the value? So 15 into 6 plus 36. Can you tell what answer is coming? 80 plus 36. How much it is coming, beta? 116. So B will become, so 116 rupees will become the answer. So this question was easy, absolute. No, 126 or 116, check to. Calculation part I may have done wrong, check. 126, huh? 6 is there, 8, 9, 10, 11, 6, 5, 30. So, okay, here it is 9. Got. 19. So, 126. Correct. So, 126 is coming. Marginal revenue, you are correct only. Yeah, I rectified it. 126 is the answer. Understand now? So, what is the correct answer coming here is 126. Children, see, this is the final page. Try to answer. That's what I am going to tell you. Try to answer the question. Now look at next part. We are going to do next question quickly, little bit fast. We are going to go. Now look here. Second question is this one. Try. The side of equilateral triangle is increasing from like this. Now MCQ is pakka. One MCQ is coming like this because application of derivatives is very important. Total calculus itself. Hold on this part. Total calculus sections is holding on this part, you have to do. No other options left. Now look at, see, equilateral triangle, what and all are the properties of equilateral triangle? Equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. So now what you have to do is increasing. They are telling side is increasing. What is increasing? Side is increasing. So let S be the side. And the side increment is given as ds by dt is equal to 2 centimeter per second. After that, they're telling area increased when side is 10. Come on, find two. First time everybody solved because two questions I have solved. Third question, online children also try to solve, you also try to solve. In increasing method, what is the method of checking that increment is there? Good evening, Madesh. Now look here, Madesh, start solving the questions. If you can come means, yes, I want you to come means, if you can come means, you please come. Now look here, when we are solving this question, what is the side given? Side in rate of change of side. From this only we will come to know that it is rate question. Understand or not? Size increasing, decreasing. From this only we will come to know this is rate question. Okay. Now look here. What we have to do here is area is equal to 4 by 3. Say, what is the area of equilateral triangle? L into B is area of equilateral triangle. Shivaranjani, good evening. Area of equilateral triangle. See, if you don't know the area of equilateral triangle, means how you are going to solve. Area of equilateral triangle, at least note down, area of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 into side square. Please. Area of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 into side square. Remember this part. Area of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 into side square. Area of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 into side square. So here what is side? Your side is s. So here it will become s square. When you differentiate it, it will become dA by dt is equal to root 3 by 4 into 2s ds by dt. Okay. So ds by dt rate of change of side is given as 2. Just substitute here. Root 3 by 4 into 2 into side given is 10. At that instant, the side given is 10, 10 into 2. It is increasing. They have told increasing. Increasing means plus. So now this and this got cancelled. It is coming as 10 root 3. Check, is there any 10 root 3? 10 root 3 square centimeter, centimeter square per second. So this is a way to solve the question. Absolutely correct, Nehan. Super. Now we'll go for the next one, but please write the formulas. Understood or not? So if you won't write the formula, means it will be problem. Understood? If you won't write the formula, means problem. So beta side and edge, all these formulas, whatever is there, you need to check one time. Check it very nicely. Okay. Did you done it? Hmm? Did it or not? Check this one out, do it nicely. So this is the formula. Side of equilateral triangle is increasing at a rate of 2 centimeter per second. So the rate at which area increases when the side is 10. So definitely we have to draw it, solve it directly. Area written and then differentiated, this part done. I hope children you people are listening how to solve this question. Okay, Ritesh, Odi, are you there in the group? Means practice these questions one time. Okay. So now listen. Shall we go for the next part, beta? And your time starts now. The point on the curve where the rate of change of x coordinate is equal to rate of change of y coordinate. This is a very good question. One time also I taught this question. So now this question is important question. Can you tell rate of change of x coordinate is equal to rate of change of y coordinate? Come on, try this question. Rate of change of x coordinate is equal to rate of change of y coordinate. Try this. They are asking the value of x and y. So you be very specific when you are dealing with these questions. I'm going to explain you this MCQ so that you will be able to solve. Now look here, beta. The point on the curve, listen, eh? See, y is equal to x square given. Y is equal to x square given. So when we will differentiate rate of change of x coordinate means x axis, is equal to rate of change of y coordinate. Means they have equally given that dx by dt, rate of change of x coordinate, is equal to rate of change of y coordinate. This is actually given to you. Rate of change of x coordinate is equal to rate of change of y coordinate. This part is given to you. In MCQs, now you need not to do anything, just differentiate it. It will become dy by dt equal to 2x dx by dt. Now since dx by dt is given, so instead of dy by dt, can I write dx by dt is equal to 2x dx by dt. So this and this will get cancelled. So 1 is equal to 2x, so x is equal to 1 by 2. Once x is coming as 1 by 2, substitute here, y will be equal to 1 by 2 whole square. So y will be equal to 1 by 4. So 1 by 2 and 1 by 4, option is C. Very good. Mihan, absolutely correct. So option will become C, 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. Please remember this one. Shall we go for the next question, please? Yes, you need to solve the question one time. But in application of derivatives means first we need to solve the big questions also. That is absolutely correct. Did you understood how to solve these questions? First you see what they are asking in the question. Curve equation is given. When we differentiated dy by dt this, but they have already given. So we wrote this and then we cancelled. Once we cancelled, we got the value x and they are asking y value. That part is value of y. I hope you might have understood this one. Okay, Tanish. Tanish, go for the next question. Full concept questions we are going to discuss. So now look here. Shall we go for the next one? Now this question is rate of change of volume of sphere of diameter. So this with respect to radius. Here they have clearly mentioned with respect to radius you have to solve. Come on, try this question. With respect to radius. At least one question solve and give me the answer. Vishwa, chalo start solving this question. At least try solving this one question and give the answer. Try solving one question. Try solving this question. Okay, very good, man. Let's check this one out. First is what they have given sphere volume. Volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Understood? So dV by dr is equal to 4 by 3 pi into 3r square. Dr by dr will get cancelled because we are not differentiating with respect to time. We are differentiating with respect to r only. Very good. Lakshmi means Ritish. Is it Ritish? So now look at 3 and 3 will get cancelled. What it is coming with 4 pi r square. So the correct answer is coming as 4 pi r square. So this answer is absolutely correct. Those who have given A as answer, they are absolutely correct. Shall we go for the next part, please? Check this question out. Now solving question starts from here. Everybody start solving the questions. From here we will start solving the questions because from here 2 more questions we are expecting. Maximum minimum question 2 questions of maximum minima is confirmed to come. Maximum minima rate measures increasing decreasing these questions are confirmed. Shall we start solving this question, Beta? What is the question given here? Is the radius of variable circle is changing at the rate of this. So radius is changing. Circle radius is changing. What is radius given, Beta? dr by dt is equal to 5 centimeter per second is given. What is the radius of circle at the time when the area is changing this? So definitely area of a circle is pi r square. So dA by dt is equal to pi into 2r dr by dt. So here it will become pi into 2, radius given is how much? Is there any radius here? What is the radius of circle? Radius only we have to find. dA by dt value given is 100 square centimeter. So 2 pi into r into dr by dt. So dr by dt is 5. So what we will write? 100 by 10 pi is equal to radius. So this and this will get cancelled. 10 by pi centimeter is equal to radius. So 10 by pi centimeter is radius. Absolutely correct. 10 by pi centimeter is radius. Absolutely correct answer, Nihal. Super. So like this only you have to solve. 2 marks question means burden will not be coming. Try to solve this question. Absolutely correct, Shivaranji. Everybody try to solve and give answer. Just think that this is your what you call question answer solving. All problems will come in house, this thing, that thing. But right now you are sitting for practicing maths. So just focus there only. Is it done? Vishwa understood how to solve the question. First, to write the question, then you understand the question what they're asking, and then we will solve the question. So, rate measure questions can come like this only. Okay. Now, next question is, can we start for the next question? See, like this type question only they will give. What question they will give? The side of equilateral triangle. Just check this one out. See this. The side of equilateral triangle is increasing at a rate. Again, same question we did MCQ now. Side is exactly what? Increasing. ds by dt, rate of change of side is this much centimeter per second given. Find the rate of increase of its perimeter. Perimeter increase they are asking. ds by dt given. What is perimeter of equilateral triangle? What is the perimeter of equilateral triangle? Perimeter of equilateral triangle, if somebody will be asking you, means 3 into side. Okay. So dp by dt is equal to 3 ds by dt. So here it will become 3 into 0.5. Correct? This will become centimeter per second. So it will become 1.5 centimeter per second. Anybody got? Mehan, Shivaranjani, Mehan has got the answer. This is coming as purely 1.5 centimeter per second. Nothing was there. If you know the formula means rate measure is nothing for you. You will easily be able to solve the question. Only some tricky questions are there that time. Application based questions, case study will be coming that time only. Okay. Try and solve the question with much ease. You will be able to solve it. Hey, what happened there? Now shall we go for the next question? Shall we go for the next question? Now we are going for the next question. The rate of change of volume of a sphere is equal to rate of change of its radius. Come on, and your time SI unit to find, ma'am. How to find? I'll explain you. Just solve this question, you will be able to know. The rate of change of volume of a sphere is equal to rate of change of its radius. So they have already given this part. Find the radius. They gave that dV by dt, rate of change of volume of the sphere, is equal to dr by dt. They have given rate of change of volume of a sphere is equal to understood. So rate of change of volume of the sphere dV by dt is equal to dr by dt given. This part is given to you. Okay. Now with a sphere, what is the formula for volume of a sphere? Volume of a sphere is equal to, say formula, 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now we will differentiate dv by dt is equal to 4 by 3 pi into 3r square dr by dt. Now 3 and 3 will get cancelled since they have given this part equal to this part. So what will happen? dv by dt, this and this will get cancelled. So r square is equal to 1 by 4 pi. So r will be root under 1 by 4 pi centimeter. So radius unit will be as it is written. Yes, 1 by 2 root pi, absolutely correct. 1 by 2 root pi is correct answer. Units. So here centimeter not given means we will write units only, correct. Centimeters, so here it will become 1 by 2 root pi units. Understood. 1 by 2 root pi units is the correct answer. Come on, go for the next question. नहीं देखा था. Okay, after class we'll see. First do it fast. Very slow you people are doing. What is that? This is done or not? Now look here. Next question, shall we go? Now try this question. 2017. The volume of a cube is increasing at a rate of 9 centimeter cube per second. So now solve this question and give me the answer. Then I will solve this question. Everyone try this question. Hmm? 7. What happened? At least rain now, because right now only I started, na? Only half an hour over. And next taking. Little bit relaxing. Outside is very cold. Today it will rain till what time? Up to? Any confirmed? 27th of January. Shall I start it? Vishnu, I'm in live class. Now look here. Volume of a cube is increasing at a rate of this. So what is given? dv by dt is equal to 9 centimeter cube per second is given. How fast its surface area increasing when the length of the edge is this? So what is the surface area of a cube? Surface area of a cube given is 6 into side square. Surface area is 6 into side square. Understood. Surface area will be what? 6 into side square. So ds by dt is equal to 12s ds by dt. Understood. ds by dt is equal to 12s. This part is written. So here once you have written, they have given dv by dt already this part. Correct? From this can I solve one part? Because here dv by dt given. So volume of a cube is side cube, edge cube. So dv by dt is equal to 3 into side square ds by dt. So this part will come 9 is equal to 3 into side square into ds. What is ds beta? ds by dt they have given, not given. So ds by dt value will come from here only. So ds by dt will be equal to 9 by 3 into s square. Then So this is ds by dt value. We are going to substitute ds by dt value here so that we can get the answer. So now this is equation 1 with volume and this part is equation 2. So from equation 1 and 2, what we are going to do, from equation 1 and equation 2. See, this is capital S. Capital S means surface area. What is this one? Surface area. So now here, instead of ds by dt, I am going to substitute this value. So what it will happen? Here it will be ds by dt is equal to 12 into s into 9 by 3 s square. Done. So this s and this s will get cancelled. This part will come 3. So it is coming 12 into 3 by s value is given as 10. So how much it will become? 2 5 are 10, or directly we will write this 3 by 10. So 36 by 10. So 3.6 centimeter square per second. Beta centimeter square per second will be coming. Centimeter square per second will be coming. 3.6 centimeter. Shiva, whenever time is written, unit will not reduce. Understood or not? So here, whenever you are putting rate with time, so square will be there. But with side, if you will write, then unit will reduce by 1. This already one time I have taught. Now another time I am explaining. Understood or not? So unit one time will be reduced means that section will come as one reduced. I hope you might have understood this one. Shall we go for the next one, please? Shall we go for next question, please? If you will play like this, now I punch you. Remove your phone, keep it in one side, and focus in solving questions. This stage also you are not serious, miss. It's seriously waste. What happened? I know. You want to go home? See, I have to do my duty till 7 o'clock sharply. I'm going to teach. Okay. Already half an hour late I started. Now look here. We are going to solve this question. The curve equation is giving increasing at a rate because I told you the rate measures. Case study also I have to write today. So curve part is written like this. Now check. Y is equal to 5x minus 2x cube is given. Now x is increasing at a rate of this much. That means dx by dt is equal to 2 units per second. Then find the rate of change of the slope of the curve. This is a good question. Try. Rate of change of slope of the curve. Try this question. First you have to find slope. Rate of change of slope of the curve. Try. First dy by dx you do. After doing dy by dx, slope formula will be what beta? Dy by dx. Understood? Once you will get slope, after getting slope, again you have to differentiate and then you have to find the value. Understood or not? Come on, start solving this question. No, wrong. How can it be minus 31? Now look here. First work is we will differentiate it. dy by dx. See, first work is for getting slope. The formula for slope is, what is slope equation? Slope is dy by dx. Understood? Which we are calling it as m. Slope of a line is dy by dx is equal to m. Note down this one. Always remember, slope is always presented as dy by dx, and it is also called as m. Slope is presented as dy by dx and will also be considered as m. So when we are doing slope equation a dy by dx is equal to m, then what next work we are going to do here? Okay. So once you have written dy by dx is equal to m, this part will become 5 minus 2 3s are 8x square. This will become your m. So slope is dy by dx and this part is equal to m. So m is equal to 5 minus 8x square. Now they are telling that find the rate of change of slope. So that means our slope came as this much. So now we will differentiate dm by dt. So it will become minus 16x dx by dt. Okay. Now they have already given rate of change. Increment is given this. So here it is coming minus 6 into x. What is x value? 3 into 2. So how much it is coming? 6 into 6. How much it is coming? It is coming as minus 96. Check one time again. Oh, here I did mistake. 2 3 is 6x square. So here if it is 6x square means, check, it will become minus 12x dx by dt. So if minus 12 will be there means minus 12 into x value into 3 into 2. So it is coming minus 12 into 6, 12, 6 are 72. Yes, unit slope will be coming. I hope you might have understood. So minus 72, minus 72 because it is decrease. So here, if it is decrease means it will become this unit square per second. So this will be this. So this is exactly decreasing. Okay, slope will be decreasing. Minus indication is slope is decreasing. Negative here means slope is decreasing. Negative here means slope is decreasing. Understood? So here somebody will be finding negative value here is, that means what? Slope is decreasing. Whenever in rate measures we are solving any questions, at that particular moment, if the value is coming negative, increment means positive, decrement is negative. Understood now? So whenever the size is reducing, we are taking it as minus. I hope you might have understood this one. Shall we go for the next question? Did you understood? First, what is the equation given? Your equation of the curve given is this one. They told to first find slope. Understood? So dy by dx is coming this much. So this is slope. So m is equal to this part will become slope. Now we differentiated. After differentiated, it is coming minus 12x dx by dt. And this part is coming as Kartika understood na beta. So minus 12 into 3 into 2. So minus 72. Negative is representing what? Negative is representing that it is decreasing. So slope is decreasing. Slope is decreasing at a rate 72 units square per second. Understood? Slope is decreasing at a rate 72 units square per second. So now we will go for the next part. Can you go for the next question, please? The volume of a sphere is increasing. Come on, go for it. Try this. At least one question you try because I have solved this much questions. Try this question, please. भैया और दीदी तो दोनों को मैं कूट दूंगी रुक जाओ. Past 3 days I taught one-on-one onto function, how to judge one-on-one onto function. I finished one on two function. In trickle kundram class also I taught one on two function. Correct now? Yesterday also I taught you how to find one on two function. Today at last one or two questions of no. Today at last I will solve one on two function, last one or two questions, how to derive and solve and get the answer. Understood? So please start doing it. Okay, very good. Shall we start? It's not rude, Ayushman. It's about practice. Right now, time is very less, study is very more. Now look here, the volume of a sphere is increasing at a rate of 3 cubic centimeter per second. So volume of a sphere is increasing. So we are exactly same type question we are going to solve. Volume of a sphere is increasing 3 cubic centimeter per second. So dV by dt is equal to 3 centimeter square per second. Understood? Sphere formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, so the rate of increase in its surface area when radius is this much. So now same pattern question is given. First we will find dV by dt is equal to 4 by 3 pi into 3r square dr by dt. So 3 and 3 will get cancelled. Now dV by dt already they have given. What they have given? 3. So 3 is equal to 4 pi r square dr by dt. So here definitely 3 is equal to 4 pi r square. So dr by dt given. So first we will write 3 by 4 pi r square is equal to dr by dt. This is dr by dt value given because they did not give rate of change of radius. Okay. Now what is the surface area of sphere? Surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square. So ds by dt is equal to 4 to the 8 pi dr by dt. Now from here, whatever we got can be substituted here. Understood? This is exactly the link generation. That's very good. It's actually good only. ds by dt is equal to 4 pi 8 pi into dr by dt. First time you are meeting me now, so you are feeling like that. So now look at pi and this part will become 2. So what is ds by dt coming with that? ds by dt coming is 6 by r square. And what is the radius at that point given is 6 by 4. That is 3 by 2 centimeter square per second. So it is coming as 3 by 2 centimeter square per second. Check to, is it correct? I. Here one r is there. 8 pi r. 8 pi r. Nice sound. 8 pi r into 3 by 4 pi r square. This r and this r will get cancelled. This will 4 pi will cancel to 6 by r. 6 by r. R is what beta? Check. Who is putting song and singing song? Mama. So outside singing song means you will get affected by outside singing songs. Training song. No. That also did affect me also. If Bhakti song is coming means I'm not reading. I'm only listening Bhakti song. I. Here to who? Who you? Swami coming in your body. Are you power? I am running away from here. That's why he had not eaten non-veg. He left it 1 year. Last 1 year not eating non-veg. That point of view is from his family, but he's eating non-veg. Okay, shall we go for the next question? This is 3 marks question. Come on, go for it. Same pattern question. So I'm leaving this question. We'll go for next question. This question we are going to do circular cylinder related questions. Come on, start doing it, please. Who? You are feeling? That Swami came saying that Swami came. The Swami came here. He's saying the Swami Please. Shall we start our work, please? The radius of a radius of a right circular cylinder is decreasing at the rate of. Everyone, please start solving. Afterwards, we'll talk. See, look here. The radius of a right circular cylinder. This is a right circular cylinder. Now, what they are telling that the radius of right circular cylinder is decreasing. That means dr by dt, it is decreasing with -3 centimeter per minute. I told you now, when there is a decrease, answer will become minus. Hi, Alvin. Alvin is there online. So after that, what it is written, and its height is increasing. So dh by dt is given as 2 centimeter per minute. Okay. When radius is 7 and height is equal to 2, find the rate of change of volume of cylinder. So volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Done. So when you will be writing dv by dt pi, one time you leave height and differentiate radius with respect to time. One time you leave radius and differentiate height. Understood? So now dv by dt is equal to pi h into 2r dr by dt plus r square dh by dt. Done? So once we have written till here, once we have written till here, dv by dt is equal to pi will be as it is. What is h given? 2 centimeter. So 2 into what is r given? R will become 2r. R is reducing. So here it will become minus. After differentiation, dr by dt will give you minus now. So here it will become h is height is 2. So minus 2 into h value I have written again 2 into radius given is 7 into dr by dt is minus 3. So into 3 plus here r is given as 7. So 7 square into rate of change of height is 2. So this value is given means now we will be able to solve this part. Now check 2 to the 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 into 7, 7 to 14, 7 is 7, 8, 84. So minus 84 plus 49 into 2, 293, 98. Understood? So here it is coming as pi is 22 by 7. 22 by 7 into 8 minus 4, 18, 14 is coming, so 2. So correct answer will come 44. Dt by dt rate of change na centimeter cube per second. So 44 centimeter cube per second. Please check this question. This is very important question. So rate of change of volume will be 44 centimeter cube per second. So please solve this question very nicely. See, cylinder height is given, rate of change of height. See, what is the meaning of rate of change of height here? That means the height will change and radius will change. Means the size. So radius is increasing, height is radius is decreasing, height is increasing. Understood? So please note down this one first. This part done. I gave you time to note down. Shall we go for the next one? Shall we go for the next one? Now look at it. Next part question is this one. Try this question. The radius r and base of a right circular cone is decreasing at a rate of this and height is increasing at a rate of this. When radius and height is this, find the rate of change of volume of the cone. Please try this question. Everyone, please try this question. Find the rate of change of height of cone. Now look here. So when somebody will be asking about this, wait, I'll go back to. Now look beta, cones, right circular cone, if somebody will be asking you what you are going to do for right circular cone, check this one out. Right circular cone will be there. So this is right circular cone. R is the radius, the rate of change. So here what they are telling, radius is decreasing. So dr by dt is equal to minus 2 centimeter per minute is there. And dh by dt, rate of height increment is given as 3 centimeter per minute. Done? So dr by dt given, dh by dt. After that, what they are telling, ki at the rate, when rate, height and radius, when the change in the volume will be what? So volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So when dv by dt you will do, so pi by 3 you will take as it is. One time radius you will leave, height you will differentiate. One time height you will leave, the radius you will differentiate with respect to t. So here pi by 3 will be there. What is radius beta? Radius value is given as 3.5. So here we will write 3.5 into anything is decreasing is minus, height is increasing. So dh by dt is 3. Okay, minus because r is decreasing. Height is how much given? Height is given as 6. So it will become minus 6 into 2 r because r square differentiation will become 2r dr by dt. So 2 into what is r? R is given as 3.5 into dr by dt minus already written 2. So just go for it. How much it will become? 3.5, 3.5 we will take common. So pi by 3 into 3.5 taken out. What left here is 3 minus, here 3.5 taken out, 6 to the 12, 12 to the 24. So 24. So now here it is coming as 22 by 7 into 3 into 3.5 into how much it is coming? 4 minus 3? 21 minus 21. So 3 sevens are 21 and here 7 fives are 0.5. So here it is coming as minus 5 to the 10, 5 to the 10 1 11, this much into 7. So it is coming minus 77 cubic centimeter per second. Anybody, did you got the answer? Why this is coming for you this much? For me it is coming. If you will solve means answer will come minus 77. Check this one out. 3.5 r square. 3.5 square. This part 3.5 into 3.5. 3 into 3.5. Radius is increasing. Sometimes 3 times of 50, we can 10.5 minus. This part will be 10.5. 3.5 taken out. 6 12, 24. 20. Okay. Then calculation I have to do. Okay, Mehan, I am rectifying it. So it is coming 22 by 7 into 3 into 3.5 minus 24.0 into 10.5. So 5 is coming, 3 is coming, and 13.5 is coming. Check. It is coming 13.5 plus minus 13.5. So this will come 3 4 12, 3 5 15 minus this section and 0.5. So it is coming minus 11.0 into 4.5. 11.0 into 4.5, 45, 45. Approximated value is coming 4.5. Yes, approximated value is coming. Check. Check करो. Approximated value will be coming with a minus. I think 5 will be there. 9. 49.5 cubic centimeter per second. Thank you. This part is coming. So this value is coming because 3.5 r square is there, and here 2r is there. This is exactly going to solve like this. We will go for the next question. Yes, Neha, that rectified. 3.5 minus 1, 3.5 there. Now, shall we go for the next question, please? The next question is this one. This question many times we have solved, so please kindly try this question. Look here, beta. A stone is dropped into a quiet lake and wave move in circle in the speed of this 5 centimeter per second. So dr by dt. Here speed will become that only. See, the wave impulses are generated. After that, the wave will exactly move like this. Correct, na? The circle waves will keep on getting bigger. Now what they are telling that the speed will change. So dr by dt is nothing but the speed, rate of change of speed, impulse change. So it will become 5 centimeter per second. At the instant when the radius of the circular wave, now what they are telling, when the radius is coming as 8 centimeter, find the change in area. So area is circular part only now. So it will become dA by dt is equal to 2 pi r dr by dt. Done. So here dA by dt will be not identified. It is coming 2 into pi into radius given as a and dr by dt is given as 5. So 5 to the 10, 80 pi square centimeter per second. Answer is coming as 80 pi. Check. Direct I have solved the question beta. This is exactly nothing but circular waves. These are circular waves generated. Circular waves generated. So when the stone will be exactly put, what will happen? The waves will start increasing. Understood? So what is changing here is radius. What is changing here is radius. So radius keeps on changing. So once we keep on changing the radius, this part will come. Is it done? Shall we go for the next question? You people are not having interest to study seriously. It's waste. Now solve this question. A balloon is in the shape of these type questions can come in exam because this is NCERT question. Try and solving this question, please. At least one question try and solve. A balloon usually remains spherical. So what is the shape of the balloon? Spherical. So spherical balloon will be there and variable diameter will be there. Praveen, you are not solving question. Just now I checked. Write everything. Write the question and solve. That's not game. One side you are keeping physics, one side you are keeping maths, means it's not going to work. Turn the page and solve. Last page only. Come on, solve this question. Please try this question out. Tomorrow you people are coming to write one sample paper for maths. What time means afternoon? Yes. After 2 or 3 o'clock you are coming for writing one sample paper. Everybody. Writing on sample paper means I'll get the idea how you people are doing, because that's very, very important to know. How much level we have. I know you people are not prepared. So only I'm very worried. See, if you will not start revision, means nothing will help. Anyone got the answer? Come on, solve the question, please. See, balloon which always remains spherical has a diameter. So diameter given is 3 by 2, 2x plus 1. Then what will be the radius? Radius will become 3 by 4, 2x plus 1. Done. Find the rate of change of volume with respect to x. So dv by dt is equal to rate of change of volume, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Understood? Same format here. So it will become 4 by 3 into 3 pi into r cube means r square dr by dt. So radius is already given. This 3 will get cancelled. 4 pi. This is dv by dt and this is dv by dt. 4 pi and here it is coming as r. R part is coming as 3 by 4. 3 by 4 2x plus 1 whole square into dr by dt. dr by dt we have given or not? A balloon which always remains spherical has a variable diameter. Find the rate of change of its volume with respect to x. So if with respect to x given is minus 2. So here radius is given as 3r cube. Here I have to differentiate. With respect to x, radius will be differentiated with respect to x. So here 3 by 4, this much part is there, dv by dx, dx you put, and here it is dx, dr by dx. So here it will become, this will get differentiation, this will go for differentiation, dr by dt. We can write, because x part means radius, I have to substitute, otherwise it will create problem. So 3 by 4, 2x plus 1, whole cube will be there. So this part will become 4 by 3 pi into 3. 3 by 4, 3 by 4, 3 by 4, that is cube part will come out. Okay, now here it will become into 3, 2x plus 1 whole square into 2. So this 3 and this 3 will get cancelled. Okay. This 4 and this 4 will get cancelled. 3 9, 27. 27. This will get cancelled too. It is coming 4 to the 8. 27 by 8 5. And then here 2x plus 1 whole square. This is the answer. I hope you might have understood. So this is going to be the answer if you will be solving like this. 27 by 8. Please solve this question. They have talked about the balloon. It is in the form of sphere. So sphere balloon means here radius is given. Radius is 3 by 4, 2x plus 1. This is the radius. 3 by 4, 2x plus 1 becomes the radius. Try this question out. Come on, go for this next part question. Note down, please. Praveen, did you understood? Diameter first you have to convert it into radius. Now volume differentiation, because here volume differentiation is not with respect to time, it is with respect to x. So x differentiation means this one will become 3 times written outside. Now this section will be differentiated. So cube will become 3 and this part differentiation will become 2x plus 1 according to chain rule I have applied there. I hope you might have understood. Now shall we go for the next part, please? Now we'll go for the next question. The question is this one, try this question. At what point of the ellipse does the ordinate decreases at the same rate at which the abscissa increases? Come on, solve this question. At what point of the ellipse does the ordinate decreases as the abscissa increases? Try this. First, to understand this one, this is exactly an ellipse. So equation of ellipse will be written as 16x square plus 9y square is equal to 400. This is the equation of ellipse. Now they are telling that decrease of one is increase of the other. So ordinate decreases at the same rate at which abscissa increases. So ordinate is decreasing and abscissa is increasing. So dy by dx minus dy by dx is equal to dx by dt. Understood now? So abscissa, this is ordinate. Ordinate is y-axis. Abscissa is x-axis. First we will differentiate. It will become 16 into 2x dx by dt plus 9 into 2y dy by dt equal to 0. Differentiation part. So this one we will shift to that side. So here it will become what? 9 into 2. So here it will become 16 to the 32x dx by dt is equal to minus 18y dy by dt. Already they have given dy by dt as minus dx by dt. We will substitute here. So here it is 32x dx by dt is equal to minus 18 into y, and here it will come minus dx by dt. So dx by dt will get cancelled. Minus here, minus into minus will become plus. So here it is coming 32x is equal to 18y. So this one will shift 32 by x, 18 is equal to 1. Correct? So here 2 nines are 18, 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. So y is equal to 16 by 9x. Shall we substitute into this equation? So here it will become 16x square plus, instead of y can I write 9 into 16 by 9 into 16 by 9 x square. So here 2 times integral of x square is equal to 400. This and this will get cancelled. So now how much it will become? 16 will become 256. 256 x square plus 9, 9 6 are 54, 9 1 are 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 144 x square by 9 is equal to 400. So total it is coming as 400. 400 x square is equal to 9 into 400. So this and this will get cancelled. So x will be coming as plus minus 3. Bingo. Once you got x is equal to plus minus 3, after solving, see, here the most important section what they have given, this is the equation of ellipse. Understood or not? In that they told that the rate of ordinate minus is equal to dx by dt. So here instead of dy by dt, I substituted I substituted minus dx by dt. Once substituted, minus and minuses got cancelled. I got y value as this. Understood. Now this y value I substituted in equation 1, ellipse equation. Got it. So one time I got x value as plus minus 3. Now final star part I am writing here, since x value is coming as plus minus 3. So one time we will write when x equal to 3. Then what will be the value of y? Y will be equal to 16 by 9 into what value is there? X square or x? X na? Into 3. So how much it is coming? 16 by 3. So when x will be equal to minus 3, then y will be equal to minus 16 by 3. So 3, 16 by 3, 1 point will come, and minus 3, minus 16 by 3, 2 points will come. Understood? So this is seriously one, these type questions if you will do, miss, then only you will get confidence that, okay, fine, I will be able to solve the questions. Are you understanding? Don't play right now because this is most crucial section of your life. I hope you people have understood. So on an average today 18 questions we have solved in 1 hour and 30 minutes. Understood? 1 hour 20 minutes, 21 minutes we have solved more than 18 questions along with MCQs. So this is one section. Understood? This is one section. Another section I will be bringing. Now short case studies I am going to solve and send you the videos. Only this much is left. Okay. Bye everyone.